So how come they get what I would like to have? I'm a nice person, why I don't have it? Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elmira Strange and I'm a motivational psychologist and therapeutic coach. If you are interested in information related to how to create and grow your online business in therapeutic or coaching settings or psychology related, then you are in the right place because we discuss this all here. So the quote of the day: by helping others, we help ourselves. How true is that? It is true. Saying about that, we are talking about the law of attraction in this video, because this is the question I've been asked from time to time. Do you believe in the law of attraction? Does it work for you? How does it apply to business? And I would say that the law of attraction works. On my opinion, it does. I've been a learner or a student of the law of attraction and Abraham Hicks for many years. And I have one video where I talk about the law of attraction and I give out some examples of how certain things I wouldn't be able to explain if it wasn't for the law of attraction. For example, at some point I wanted to get some pieces of makeup which were quite expensive because they were natural, they were organic. That was many years ago where it felt they're really truly expensive. But I kept them in mind. And I was asking myself, what exactly do I want? What color do I want? And that's what I was keeping in mind. And lo and behold, when I went to the supermarket, I found that they sell magazines. That was a couple of weeks later. And one of the magazines had a freebie in it, which included those makeup pieces which I wanted to have. And they were organic and natural. The only thing I needed to do is to pay for the magazine and I got them for free. That's just a one little example of hundreds I've experienced throughout those many years, I would say probably 15 years. The law of attraction is one of 12 spiritual laws that basically says that whatever you give out, that's what you will get. You might argue with me saying that, yeah, but if you look at some businessmen and politicians, for example, they might have it all in terms of like financial gain, but they're not nice people, for example. So how come they get what I would like to have? I'm a nice person, why I don't have it? Well, there are a lot of details when it comes to the law of attraction. See, when it comes to attracting something that we give out, we have to remember that we all have certain limited or limiting beliefs and core beliefs that slow down the whole process of attracting that which we want to have. If you were growing up hearing phrases such as money is the root of all evil, you cannot earn all the money in the world, you cannot take money with you to the afterlife, you are not smart enough, you are not good enough in anything, all these can sit in your subconscious. All these will slow down all the process of attracting that which you want. I have created my own digital nomad lifestyle based on the law of attraction. I was utilizing it. And what I mean by that is that one of the principles in the law of attraction is that you need to keep yourself in a very high vibrational state at all times or most of the time. And this can be very difficult to achieve. Why? Because our mood changes throughout the day, throughout the week. I talk a lot about negative thinking and how to change it into a more positive or happier thinking or approach to life. And this partly is because of the law of attraction. If you are miserable, you cannot attract really good stuff in your life. You cannot hope that all the doors will open up in front of you. The career that you're going for will welcome you. The finances will grow like on the trees. The lifestyle that you want to have, whether it's working from home and spending more time with your family, or whether traveling around the world like a digital nomad, as a digital nomad, whilst working online, all these things, they come much faster if you utilize the law of attraction. First of all, you need to keep yourself, as I said, in the highest vibrational state. And this can be done, for example, what I do throughout the years, listening to audiobooks and podcasts, those that would inspire and motivate you. Listen to comedies, stand-up comedies. They will put you in the state of a really good positive mood, and that's needed for the law of attraction. Play with kids, pets, or anything that you find funny, interesting, where you forget about time, where you immerse yourself. I love scuba diving. This is where I forget about time. This is what benefit my own mental health and restore my psychological well-being. It's not always I live by the sea, but when I do, I try to make the best out of it and see what is offered in that particular place. If I'm far away from the sea, then I love being active, I love exercising, I go to the gym and I enjoy working out. I love learning about psychology because this is my core work. Psychology and behavior of other people, and this is what I can share with you and with other people, because I know that it will affect you in a very positive way. When it benefits you, it benefits me. And I don't mean financially, I mean psychologically, I mean spiritually. And another point is that how much you give out, this is how much you will get. This is not quite balanced, I would say, because sometimes you might give out a lot. You might write books and posts and blogs, and it's all for free, and you just give out and out and out, and you feel like you're not getting much back. In reality, though, the law of attraction always provides you with things in return, but they might be in a different form. So perhaps you will have an offer of going somewhere, whether it's a work, a collaboration with someone, or going somewhere in travels, or somebody will help you to get the thing that you really wanted to buy, for example, at a discounted rate, or almost for free, or maybe even for free. All these things, they come as a result of the law of attraction because they are on a vibrational level, on the same level. So it doesn't mean that if you give out $5,000 to people, you will gain 5,000 or more back. Not necessary. It can come in a different form, but it has to come in the form that you will appreciate, and you have to appreciate, because that will keep you on that level once again. So it's kind of almost like a circle where you will drop off that vibrational level, where you will look around sometimes and you will say, but how can I keep myself happy and positive? Look at this world, look at what we have around us, and the wars and misfortunes and poverty and illness and on and on and on. But the teachers of the law of attraction, they say you can notice all that, but just do not stay too long in that vibrational level. When you focus on something that goes wrong, this is when you ask the universe provide help for all of us and to this planet and to all the humanity. And the main principle is do not stay too long in that awareness of bad things. You're not helping anyone, yourself, humanity, the planet, by staying too long in the miserable state or in the sad, unhappy place. If you are interested in the topic of the law of attraction, there are many things I would like to discuss in my future videos, because as I said, I've been a student of the law of attraction for at least 15 years and I'm utilizing it for my own life. And throughout my videos, throughout my courses, throughout my classes and blogs and posts, which you will find on main social media accounts, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on my website, if you're interested in my courses, this is what I try to convey. Get to the place where you will become inspiration for other people. This is how it works. We are here to make the best version of ourselves and to leave this planet in a better place, in a better state that we found it. Well, that's the hope. Well, this is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe it if you haven't done it yet. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.